Hi there. Welcome to Wargachuk Academy, where your dreams take flight and your spiritual journeys truly begin. I'm Joey Wargachuk, and I'm so excited to be your guide on this incredible path to transformation. At Wargachuk Academy, we offer a range of courses and workshops designed to empower and inspire you, whether you're diving into self-paced video courses or joining us live on Zoom for interactive workshops or certifications. There's something here for everyone. From learning how to master tarot and crystals to exploring holistic business strategies, we're gaining not only knowledge, but practical skills you can use in your everyday life and professional practice. I believe in the power of personalized learning. So whether you're engaging in group work to connect with like-minded seekers or signing up for one-on-one coaching sessions with me, your journey will be unique, meaningful, and transformational. Take a moment to explore our courses and workshops, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions. Our community is here to support you every step of the way. And remember, this isn't just any learning, it's about unlocking your potential, stepping into your power, and embracing the magic that has been waiting for you all along. So, what are you waiting for? Let's begin your journey together. Welcome to Wargachuk Academy. See you in class.